The general knowledge syllabus is infinite. Trying to memorize every historical date, river system, and constitutional article is a guaranteed way to burn out. High-tier exam performance relies on strategic deduction. Take a standard geography question. The correct answer sits on the page, surrounded by 3 carefully constructed distractors. Some questions provide a direct hit. You recognize the prompt, identify the correct river, and move on. This is the baseline of factual recall. Factual recall will cover a significant portion of an exam, but top rankings are decided by the next tier of questions, the ones where the answer is not immediately obvious. History questions often use closely clustered dates to create confusion around major mass movements. This image documents the massive mobilization at government buildings during the push for independence. We can use this era as a chronological anchor. By establishing that this movement peaked before independence, any post-1947 options become chronologically impossible. Strike them out immediately. In Indian polity, physical structures mirror specific government functions. This is the old Parliament House in New Delhi, the center of the national legislative branch. When a question targets a central legislative term, eliminate options that use terminology specific to the Vidhan Sabha or local government. Identifying a broad century or the correct tier of government eliminates half of the incorrect answers. This process turns a blind guess into a 50-50 statistical advantage. General science often intimidates candidates through the use of dense, complex Hindi terminology. Before analyzing the underlying biology, examine the language of the options. Pause the video. Identify which 2 options use prefixes or suffixes not belonging in biology. Striking out physics or chemistry roots exposes the biological answer. Breaking compound words into simple components solves technical problems. Technical questions often hide simple concepts behind linguistic barriers. Dismantling the word reveals the answer. Current affairs success does not require memorizing every daily newspaper headline. Take this question regarding the change in the administrative status of Jammu and Kashmir. The signs held by these protesters link the news event directly to the scrapping of Articles 370 and 35A. These headlines are direct extensions of the constitutional structures we covered earlier. Current affairs are simply updates to static general knowledge. Follow the system. Read carefully. Anchor the question in a known context, eliminate 2 logically flawed options, and make an educated choice. Applying these deduction steps across the full 10-question set transforms the paper into a series of logical challenges, where reason replaces panic. Top scorers manage the unknown by applying a consistent logical framework to every question they encounter.